guys, Aaron Ginkgo here. I'm gonna follow my dad. He's a trucker. I finally get to drive his S10. I imagine that this is the first time this thing has been started in a long time. Starts right up. Manual. Good man. Let's see. Brake release. Oh. Naughty Daddy didn't put on the brake. Well, I mean, it's not that big of a truck. Cool. It's kind of neat for me. I gotta follow him in his big old bobtail up to the Kenworth factory. No, Kenworth shop. He's gonna put that truck in the shop. It's a nice little truck. It's a little too new for my taste. He liked that S10 that he gave me so much that he went and bought a new one. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching. I believe this. Well, here I'll do a little thing here. I believe it's a 4.3 V6. It's a 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual transmission, standard cab, short bed. He's got a topper on it. I believe he's got hookups for a CB radio. There's a wire down there for the mic. It's got a dolphin. It's got a dolphin in each vehicle. What's up with that? What's up with the dolphin, guys? I don't get it. Does it mean something? Anyway, go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like if you so desire. I will catch you guys later.